Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to seamlessly integrate Typeform with HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect the two platforms, making it easier to capture leads from your Typeform surveys and automatically send them straight into your HubSpot CRM. This means fewer manual exports, less time lost, and a more streamlined workflow for your business or project. Let's jump straight in. The entire process starts on your Typeform account. So the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Typeform dashboard. If you're like most users, you probably have a handful of forms already created. Just pick the specific form you want to sync with HubSpot. This part is crucial because each form might serve a different purpose. So make sure you're connecting the one where you actually want that HubSpot data to flow. Once you've selected your form, look towards the top menu bar in the Typeform Builder. You're searching for a tab called Connect. Sometimes it might be labeled Integrations, depending on your version or layout. Click on that, and you'll see a panel listing all the tools Typeform can integrate with. Take a breath here if things look a bit overwhelming. There are plenty of options, but you'll want to focus your attention on HubSpot. Scroll through the list until you find HubSpot. The icons and names should be pretty clear, but if you don't see it right away, try using the search box provided. Once you spot HubSpot, simply click Connect next to its icon. This is what kicks off the actual integration setup. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your HubSpot account. If you've connected other integrations before, this part will feel familiar. But if it's your first time, you'll want to be sure you use the admin credentials for your HubSpot account, so Typeform can access the right features. If you see a list of accounts, just pick the one you want. Or if your HubSpot isn't listed yet, hit Add New and go through the login process. Typeform is just making sure it links up to the correct HubSpot workspace. Now comes a step that's worth slowing down for: authorizing access. You'll see a permissions screen where HubSpot asks you to approve what Typeform can do, like writing new contacts or updating certain properties. I always suggest taking a few extra seconds here to read through the permissions, just to make sure you're comfortable. It's a safeguard for your data and privacy. When you're confident, click Allow. That's it. The two accounts are now linked. You'll be redirected back to Typeform, and you'll usually see a confirmation message in the connection panel, letting you know things went smoothly. From here, you can map fields, customize what information gets sent, and start seeing your Typeform responses flow directly into your HubSpot CRM. Don't worry if it takes a few moments for the initial setup, or if you need to double-check which form you're connecting. It's normal to want to confirm things. After all, integrating these platforms can be a powerful step for your workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like and feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. I respond to as many as I can. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials on tools like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.